Hey, this is Thurman with S.N.M Cleaning Service. Hey, we just want to thank you all for joining in with us. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. And please continue on to keep rocking with us. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep sharing. Hey, if you're in Nashville, Tennessee, or in Atlanta, Georgia, you need commercial janitorial service, hey, give us a call. Hey, we'll take good care of you, give you free demos, anything, we'll lay out the red carpet for you. We're passionate about what we're doing, so we're not out here just to try to make money. We're passionate about what we're doing, so give us a call. We'll try to help you in any area so we can. And also look out for this fall janitorial supplies. That's right, this fall janitorial supplies. Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia. Hey, rock with us. Peace.